Okay, I promised y'all a video of the flip chart. Some of you might have copied down the old flip chart, which is fine. You're going to have a lot of the same information. It might just look a little bit different. Again, you should have your definition here. The only thing we know about a quadrilateral is that these angles are same side interior angles, which means they add up to 180 degrees. That's the only thing on trapezoids. Then we go down to isosceles trapezoids. Again, we're going to have same side interior angles. We also have base angles congruent, and then we also have diagonals congruent. For right triangle trapezoids, you're going to have same side interior angles here again, this one and that one. Okay, and then part of the definition is that that's 90 degrees and that's 90 degrees. Other than that, there's no new information about that one, which is why this one wasn't even in your book. Then you have the kite. Okay. There's not really a theorem for this, but you do have to understand that the diagonals create congruent triangles depending on how it's turned, and then the only other thing is that the diagonals are perpendicular. Okay. Then go over to your parallelograms. Okay, for parallelograms, we have consecutive angle supplementary, or some of you might have SSIA written down. Okay, we know that opposite sides are congruent. We know that opposite angles are congruent. We know that the diagonals bisect each other. And that's pretty much it. That should be 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3 in that one. Alright. You could either rewrite this here or just write all properties of parallelograms. The only thing new for a rectangle was that the diagonals are congruent. And then for rhombus, all properties of parallelograms. And then we also know that the diagonals bisect the angles. And we also know that the diagonals are perpendicular. And then down at the square, all properties of rectangles and rhombus.